In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the clients can see in the client portal. So I'm on this login screen, and you can completely customize this login screen and the URL. You can use custom domain if you want to use your own domain and customize the login page from A to Z. And when I sign in, I will go to the client portal. So what is that? I've created a flow here, and when my clients log in, I will have to complete this form. So this is great for onboarding your clients. So let's say I will add the name and sign here and click on next. And let's say I have to upload a logo here. So let's load any file and click on next. And upload this file and click on next button and submit this onboarding flow. So this was a sample onboarding flow. You can add as many steps in this as you want, and do all kinds of stuff like add a form, add a contract or a proposal. You can ask them to upload files. You can give them files to download. So this is the client's dashboard, and this is what they see when they log into their client portal. So in the work section, they can see the projects and tickets and tasks. We'll get into this later, but let's see what's going on the dashboard. So in total, we have 2 projects that we are working on for them. They have 2 unresolved tickets. They have paid us this much amount, and their outstanding amount is 8,365. You can customize this dashboard as well, and we give you an option to create customized dashboard as well. So these are their recent payments, invoices, and this is the project activity timeline. This is all the activity that is happening on their projects. So they can see all the details here. So let's go to work. In work, we have projects, my tasks, and tickets. So in my tasks, they'll see the tasks that are assigned to them. So in Agile, you can assign the tasks to your client as well. Let's say you're working on their website and you want them to upload some pictures or graphics or logos, etc. You can create and assign the task to them. And so let's go to projects and see what they see. So these are the 2 projects that we are working on for them. Let's go to this project. And as you can see, they can see all the details of the project, and they can see the tasks, and you can see that these are the tasks that have been assigned to them and their due dates, etc. Let's say we can go to this task and see what options are there. They'll be able to see all the task details. They'll be able to add comments. They'll be able to upload files, and they'll be able to mention your teammates and mark this task as complete. So this was the task view, and if you have any files that you have shared in the project section, they'll be able to see the files they'll be able to see the project files in the file section, and they can upload files to the project as well if you want. So they can see the timesheet, the invoices for this project, and the discussions for this project, and if there are any discussions going on for this project, or they can start a discussion from here as well. And in the tickets section, they can see all the tickets that have been created for this project. And if there are not any tickets and they would like to create one, they can create a ticket from here as well. So this was projects. Now let's go to my task. In my task, they'll be able to see all the tasks from all the projects that have been assigned to them. So they'll be able to click on any task and see its details and complete the task and mark it complete. In the tickets, they'll be able to see all the tickets that they have created or have been created for them. So these are the 2 tickets that they have created, and if they would like to request a support with a ticket, they can click on this button and create a new support ticket from here. In the finance section, they can see the invoices. These are all the invoices that have been sent to this client, and they can see their status here, and they can go to this invoice and pay them. So it is really easy for them to see all of the invoices in one place and pay the ones that are unpaid, and they can see their status as well, and they can download the invoice as well. And in the estimates section, they can see all the estimates that have been sent to them, and they can download the estimate. They can go to the estimate, and if they want to accept the estimate, they can click on this accept button and add all the details and accept the estimate. In the subscription section, they can see all the subscriptions related to them in Agiled, and in the payment section, they can see all the payments that they have made on invoices to you. So they can quickly see the invoice that this payment was related to. They can see the transaction ID, etc., everything. In the doc section, they can see all the contracts or proposals created for them in your account. So we have actions for them too. So let's say they want to view a document. So they can view the document and